Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Collaborator in Shopify. So, here you are going to visit your Shopify account or your admin dashboard. You're going to need an account within this platform to get the access to the admin dashboard. Once you have signed in or signed up to the platform, you're going to see this page. So basically, we're going to head over the settings. Click on the settings, and from here, we are going to get all the settings items about the shop or the website that we have created. So basically right there, we are going to visit the users and permissions from this left side menu. So we are going to click on here and you're going to see the store owner. You can go ahead and transfer the ownership. You can see here the staff account. And here finally, we are going to see the collaborators. So here we have two choices. Either you are going to give the external designers, developers, marketers, and managers, for example, here a code that they will request from this code the access to your website or to your store. So you are going to give them the access. Or you can go ahead and let everyone or anyone send a collaborator request to you. So right there, I'm going to set up the second choice because this is the most secure one. And also, this is a selective one. So we are going to give here this code to the collaborator so they will add the collaboration right there for us and they will be directly set when they put the code on. Here, if you are a collaborator or you have the code, you're going simply to have an account on the Shopify Partners. This is a platform for the collaborators to set up their work and also help the website or the store owners to set up their stores. So basically, the collaborators should have an account here and they are going to visit the admin dashboard of their Shopify partner. So they are going to select your stores, and from there, they have two choices. Either they are going to create a development store, or they can request the access to a store managed by client, which is going to be us. So they will click on request access to store. So you are going basically right there to give them the store URL. So here I'm going to let you see how we can do that. You're going basically right there to visit your store and get this specific URL. So I'm going to copy it. Here we need only the first letters or the first name of the store. So we are going to copy only this. And then we are going to head over to Shopify partners. We're going to paste or type in here the name right there. As you can see, .myshopify.com. And then we are going to set up the collaborator request code. So you're going basically right there to the settings. Then you are going to get your code from here. And here is it. So I'm going to copy it, paste it right there. And so here we are going to see the permissions that so we are going to request these permissions. And after that, they will send you here a message to set up the access to your store. So you are going either validate the permissions or select some of them. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.